Okay, so I'm extremely proud to be the host of the Great British Tyre Change competition. It is a fight to the death, and only when the tyre is complete and ready to go on the bike will we have a winner announced. So what I'd like to do is just take a second to introduce our competitors. V, can you give us some of your experience of tyre changing? How long have you been changing tyres for?
Never really.
And here we are on to Lisa. Hi Lisa.
Hi.
Lisa, how do you feel about the experience of changing the tyre? Have you had much experience?
No, I'm a bit nervous.
Oh, you're a little bit nervous?
Yeah, I've watched one. I've helped a little bit, but I haven't really changed one.
Okay. Get ready. This Great British Tyre Change is now on. Oh, Virginia's getting some tools out by the looks of it. She's picked her weapons. Oh, and Lisa is already in. She's in and flipping. She's flipping her edge and she's all the way around, and that is a smooth transitional process there. So we are tyres off, tubes out. Holy moly, it is neck and neck here. I've never seen anything quite so exciting in my life. Lisa, talk to us about what you're doing now.
I don't know, I can't actually remember.
What do I do with that?
Your
My tyre.
tyre's a little bit on the baggy side. V's new tyre is the flattest thing I've ever seen in my life. How do you feel?
Momentous.
How's your tyre doing?
It's not done.
No.
I think I need to sit down and just have a break probably.
Well done, guys. You've made the team proud.
Go Stride!
Good job. Go Stride.